Hello, today I will be talking about the C programming language, how it works and its main functionalities. The first thing that we need to do is to install the GCC compiler. To check if you already have it, you can type gcc version, and here I have the version 11.4. But if you don't have it, you can install by typing sudo apt install GCC. After installing the compiler, we can start using it. So here in this directory, I have a simple .c file that will print the message working in the terminal. To compile this file, we can type in GCC the name of the file, main.c, and also we can define the name for the executable file. To do this, we type -o and the name of the file. Let's call it output. Now I have the output file, and to execute, we can type // and the name of the file. As you can see, the message is printed